سيدنا تاج الأولياء سيد محمد قاسم قدس الله عليه وسلم ممدوح الجزائر أنت جلنا هادين مهتدين غير الضالين ولا مضلين حربا ليعود أوليائك وسلم لأوليائك حربا لأوليائك تهدينا إيمان دائم وقيم صادق ليس بعده كفر. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Dear audience, excuse me for the information of our respected beloved administrator. I have to welcome you all in our English language. Please pardon me. Sir, this day is an anniversary of the great saint of this Lakshadweep island, well known to India and abroad. The Awliya was Muhammad Qasim Waliullah. He was born in Karnataka district, Angkur, and he came to Mangalore city town with the information of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to go to the Lakshadweep island. So, with the grace of Arakkal kingdom, Arakkal king, he managed to get into the sailing vessel of Kalpeni island, that is my island, and first they reached Androth. So he expressed his desire to embark there and stay there for a time. By seeing their beloved love, expression and respect, he wanted to continue there in Androth Island. So he first settled in partially by his missionary work, his spiritual treatment. While he continuing there, he married a sick lady in Padana, the house of Androth Island. So they settled and had their kids, first 2 kids born in Androth Island. From there, he expressed his desire to go to Kalpeni, next nearby island. He traveled there with their children, and there also he stayed for 4 years. The house, he stayed there, and the utensils used, everything kept as a memory in that house in Kalpeni Island so far, still now. From there, he came to Kavarthi Island, but after seeing the reception as well, not only respect, love and affections of these island people, he want to permanently settle in Kavarthi Island forever. He don't want to go back to his native island. The theme, the desire of to stay here in this remotest island of India, a man who born in the main island of the nation, is everybody will have the wonder why he came here. That is what is called the Sufi desire. Sufis we called, they already divest this world because of fear of fitna. So they can go anywhere, any loneliness, any desert, and happily live there. That was the motto behind this settlement here in the remoteness. You can imagine it was 300 years back. By the time, how he must be suffered to come here by traveling, sailing Odam. From there, settled here, traveling almost all islands, made the Hujra, and Ratib he settled, made and settled there and teach, and his missionary work he continued and renewed the Islamic religion. I am not going to prolong his history because a lot of miracles and wonders has been in the history. Just to introduce the audience with the dais, the VVIPs sitting here. I need not introduce everybody for the administrator. He is well known to us. We respect him. We love him. We beloved. It is, I think, it is a miracle of our Awliya Sheikh Muhammad Qasim Tangal to post a Muslim administrator to come here for this Urus or 297th year. That is our blessing also. Thank you, sir. Sir, next to you is sitting here our respected, beloved and Sufi saint Khalil Bukhari, Ibrahim Khalil Bukhari Tangal, who is well known not only in Lakshadweep and Kerala, all over India and abroad also. He is respected and well known personality. He has got an institution there in Malappuram district, Mayadin. I have visited 2 times there. I have participated in his Salat Dhikr and Halqa also. It is a great pleasure, not only pleasure, some great feelings of devotion and happiness in our heart by participating in Salat Dhikr Halqa. Every month he is made there, 27th of Hijrah month. That Salat, not only few people, a huge crowd used to come there and donate a lot of money for the sake of the Salat. With that money, he made a great institution, Mayadin, that is not only the religious, spiritual teaching, but the modern medicines, modern engineering, and he's now developing for the high-tech institute also he's going to develop. Not only for every huge compound he is constructing, and a man of scientific revolution in future, he will be remembered in the history. He is a Sufi saint, not a Sufi saint. He has got a lot of vision and mission, and is social worker, educationist, and so many things. If I tell about him, I have to tell him lot, because I have participated in for a seminar. He called me in Malappuram. That seminar was conducted with the stress management. That no other Muslim leaders conduct such a seminar. Stress is the main problem of Muslim, not only Muslim, but every individual, every employees, every others, local people. That is the main reason for the disease called heart attack, diabetic, sugar, pressure, everything else, because everything that kills our life also, shorten our lives and kills us. He made a seminar and educated a lot of people there. He's such a man who is a very renowned person, very educated, very enlightened person. It's a blessing for us to get him here for our chair or dua for dua for us. His dua is very, very famous dua. We will, inshallah, we will participate in that. Sir, next to you is Malaysia Sayyid Labdin Tangal. He is also famous in Kerala, in abroad also. He came here because of trouble, not just to participate in this function, and he will be doing shortly, and his blessings will be there for us and for this ceremony. This is a auspicious ceremony, everybody knows. I don't want to go for a long speech, just as per the request of this Sahir Tangal to introduce the VIPs in the chair for the honorable administrator in English language. That is why I came here. Sir, you know our MP, Muhammad Faisal, is not only is very active, is not only is adamant, is very, very, very enthusiastic man. We are lucky to get him as an MP, and in the parliament also his voice you might be heard, and he's a grace for us for the Lakshadweep Islands, and I pray for his long life and long last service as a member of parliament and higher positions. Sir, then Sahir Tangal Jilani, who is the owner of these institutions and who conducted this, is need not mention, because everybody knows who is he is a local man, and he is also far related to me, and his character, without information, everybody knows, always smiling, very active, even though is disabled figure, is acting like a double energy than other people's. So praise the God for his well-being and pray for him. Then next is their President cum Chief Councillor Kunikoya Tangal, because it is a blessing for us to get him in this chair, to dais for sitting here and blessing us. Next is our chairman of the board, Hasis and religious heads of the other islands. Everybody is here. So I am shortcutting this speech. I don't want to prolong here, and I thank you everybody for hearing me with respectfully. So I thank you everybody for this. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.